We've seen layer ones like Solana, Avalanche, and ICP doing multipliers early on this bull run. But today I have a top pick that is sitting right beneath everyone's noses. Polkadot is the layer one pick that is delivering real utility to unite the innovation of blockchain and ready to pop off this cycle. So make sure you stick around to find out why. Welcome to the blockchain basement. This is the truth. Before we get into it, make sure that you get involved with the community. Drop a like and make sure you're subscribed to the channel to stay up to date with all of the crypto alpha as it unfolds in real time. Polkadot is enabling cross-chain communication and the value transfer between diverse blockchain ecosystems through its one core protocol. Polkadot has introduced parachains. These are independent blockchains that are running independently within the Polkadot network to securely weave the interoperable Web3. This innovative sharding approach distributes transactions processing across multiple chains, boosting the network capacity and making it faster and more efficient. The implications of Polkadot's technology extends far beyond just logging crypto transactions. As blockchain advancements accelerate, Polkadot is poised to play a pivotal role in the shaping of the next generation of decentralized apps. These applications range from decentralized marketplaces to global identity solutions to streamline cross-chain compatibility. Even the world of gaming stands to benefit from interoperable experiences across different blockchain platforms that are looking to implement this. Cross-consensus messaging, XCM, is the lifeblood of Polkadot's interoperability. It breaks down the walls between chains, allowing them to interact and collaborate effectively like a translator, if you may. It also defines a standard format for messages and instructions to travel between parachains, carrying data of value across the blockchain border. Well, that's a touchy subject these days, isn't it? XCM is surprisingly versatile. It doesn't dictate specific instructions or how messages should be interpreted, it simply defines the rules of the language itself. This flexibility allows developers to craft custom messages for diverse applications, from simple token transfers to sophisticated cross-chain DeFi protocols. XCM messages aren't like instant text messages, they operate asynchronously. The asynchronous nature ensures efficiency and scalability, keeping the network from bottling up. Think of it like sending an email. Once you drop it in the inbox, you can move on with your day, and you can be certain that it will reach its destination. The recipient will get it within a predictable time frame, and both of you can carry on with your independent tasks without delays. A winning design aspect of XCM is the potential to extend beyond Polkadot weaving and growing into the web of intercommunication. Its design is agnostic to specific blockchains, making it adaptable to any ecosystem. Full integrations with any network is becoming a reality with Polkadot, paving the way for seamless interconnectedness between blockchain landscape as a whole. This is the type of movement that we need to see within the overall crypto ecosystem to see mass adoption really kick into high gear. Like any new design, after deploying this technology, the founder Gavin Wood is meticulously fine-tuning the infrastructure of Polkadot continuously. Polkadot 2.0, as he calls it, will change the way parachains are distributed, utilized, and repackaged for the entire ecosystem. Essentially, Polkadot will become a supercomputer for hire, allowing participants to pay for core time for whatever purpose that they schedule and require it. In the current model, parachains are auctioned off and the winners are rewarded the lease on the chain. The barrier for building on Polkadot parachains is higher than many small projects could previously overcome, and even more horsepower than small projects needed early on in their development. With this, Polkadot will become more versatile and agile to introducing the ability to chop up these chains into small blocks and offer block computing power on a pay-as-you-go basis. This is a significant departure from the lease slot model that had previously defined Dot's parachain system. Currently, they have 50 cores in their supercomputer, but they continue to add more as demand for these cores goes up. This new method is contoured to the app market rather than emphasizing the chains as the end product for businesses. It embraces the functionality and customization that these companies really are looking for. This move will broaden the horizon of its capabilities as a general purpose multi-core supercomputer. They currently process up to 1 megabyte of data per second with very little latency, and they are pioneering blockchain as a service provider. Polkadot also offers a range of other SDKs like Kusama, an experimental developer tool for running testnets and sandboxing. Project Cappy is being designed as an app-centric middleware, and ZK primitives are being implemented for enhanced privacy. Polkadot 2.0 will also employ sassafras consensus mechanism to improve security and randomness in encrypted transactions. This ecosystem already has a wide range of developers utilizing the tech to span across chains like Astar, Hydra DX, Bitfrost, and Moonbeam. Other honorable mentions include Centrifuge, a frontrunner in the RWA adoption, Filecoin, and Manta. These projects are starting to climb up in the ranks of value and could be gem-worthy picks to keep an eye on for 2024. I want to give a special shout out to Polkadot for sponsoring this video and uniting many great projects that are changing the world of Web3 as we know it. These ecosystems are being catapulted by the strength and success of DOT behind them. Taking a more specific look at DOT token, I see a ton of opportunity for this project. Still well asleep. Has woken up a little bit from the lows previously experienced right here at around $3. We are sitting at $8.64, but if you back up, force through the trees here, there is a lot of upside potential for this competing layer 1. DOT holders also don't have to worry about big token unlocks since it is a fixed inflation rate that makes the token supply steady and predictable. Currently, DOT allows for staking, voting rights, and the token has to be locked up for auctioning chains, creating a demand within the ecosystem. What Polkadot aims to do has set it apart from other blockchain projects, and it has precious few direct competitors. This puts Polkadot in a prime position to reap massive benefits this bull run and cement itself as the linchpin for the future of Web3. Don't let this one off your radar, and that's all for today's episode. I'll see you dwellers soon. Druth out.